All great things start with a cup of tea. For me, the cup of tea will take about 3 minutes, just enough to make this project. So just gonna boil the water and we can get started. Hang on a minute, what's that? Oh, that's terrible. We gotta fix that. Let's go. So I've got a pile of scrap here. I got old fence boards, cedar fence boards, and I think we'll use those. They'll come out nice once I plane them. Yeah, I think they'll look nice. So what we're gonna do is just plane them out. Next we're going to take it to the table saw and clean out both the edges of the boards, and once both edges are done, I think the boards will look quite nice. Next we're going to cut the boards to size. I think about 10 inches wide will be good, so we're going to make all the cuts in one go. Next I'm going to chamfer the boards on the edges. You don't have to do that, but I think it will give it a nice detail once it all comes together. Next, all you got to do is glue it up and then make the box. Here I'm just making the side of the box. I'm going to use a pin nailer and glue. Making the lid for the box using hinges, so half of it will open up. So let's test it out. The plastic bags, open the lid, go from the top, and you collect them from the bottom. I think it looks alright, works alright, looks nice. The wife's happy. Oh, tea's done. 3 minutes, lovely hot cup of tea. Cheers guys, see you later.